Good morning, everyone. Looks like the Tesla has updated the website just so it can be much more clear on what the vehicle, which vehicles get the 7500. So, as you can see here, it says right here, eligible buyers now receive 70% off the purchase price of the new 2024 Model Y and Model X at time of delivery, right? So, and let's say we do a custom order. And you go here and you can see if we do purchase price, this one it shows that these vehicles here after the tax credit is $36,000 and the dual motor long range $41,000 and for the performance is $44,990, right? And it says here, and this is only to make sure that you qualify for the tax credit because not everyone does. So for you to know, you got to double check with the CPA. But then, like in my previous video that I mentioned to you guys, this is only for the stealth gray. If you guys go back to the inventory, it's going to be different thing. So let's see if I can click on here. All right, so this is it's still 2024 vehicle, but however, this is on the inventory. So it tells you it does not qualify for the federal tax credit. So, and this is a demo. Just like my previous video, one of the ways to know is make sure that your color is stealth gray for sure. But this one right here, so it's still, if you're getting from the inventory, some will qualify and some will not be qualified. So just make sure you double check and just don't assume things, and then you're going to regret it. So this is the Model Y. So look at the price difference of what, like 5,000, and then for the performance is about what, 3,000. So if again anybody that into the sporty looks, and the quickness, you would pay $3,000 more for the performance because you get a lot of goody stuff. You get like it accelerates faster, you get bigger wheels, better brakes, lower suspensions, spoiler, all that sporty looks. But if you're a family person, you don't want to, you just want something going, the range is more important to you, then you stick with the long range. And you get just, but the performance, that the front and rear wheels, they're not the same size, they're different. So when it times for you to rotate or to replace the tires, they don't wear out evenly. So you might have just to rotate two or buy two first, and then the next time you buy the other two. Or some people might do is like you can find another person that has the performance wheels, and then you just switch with them. That way both of you guys get the same set of wheels and tires, and that way when you buy them, you can replace them all at once, which is better in my opinion, right? Or if some of you who like the performance, you can buy the performance, and then you can just trade it with another one for the long range model, like the 20-inch inductions or the Gemini for a smoother ride. But those are the options that is for you. Or if for the one that already bought the long range and you want something a little bit quicker, you can get the acceleration boost. Or if you got the little extra money, you can buy like a third-party modules, Nginx, and you can install it, assuming that your motors is a 980 motors, which is the performance. But other than that, just buy what you like one time, because once you make the design and the purchase, you cannot change it. All right, so yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave in a comment below. But other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.